Hello from ONLYOFFICE Academy. To celebrate the ONLYOFFICE birthday series, we are highlighting practical workflows and helpful tips designed to make your daily work easier and more efficient. A Simply survey is one of the most common ways to gather customer feedback. In this video, we will build a practical PDF quiz from scratch using ONLYOFFICE forms. To make it more interesting, our example will be a short quiz called How Well Do You Know ONLYOFFICE? Let's get started. Step first, create new PDF form. From your ONLYOFFICE doc space, click Create Forms. You can start with a blank form from text file or from gallery. For this tutorial, we will create a blank form and add a title. How well do you know ONLYOFFICE? You can also add a short description explaining the purpose of the quiz. Step second, add participant information fields. Before the questions, let's add few fields to identify participants. Open the Forms tab and insert a text field for name, an email field, a date field. These fields are useful if you plan to collect responses from multiple people. Step 3. Add question first, multiple choice. Let's create our first question. From the Forms tab, insert a radio button group. Question: which of the following file formats is commonly used for text documents in ONLYOFFICE? Options: DOCX, MP3, PNG, ZIP. Radio buttons are ideal when users should select only one answer. Step 4. Add question second, multiple answers. Now let's create a question with several possible answers. Insert multiple checkboxes. Question: which editors are included in ONLYOFFICE docs? Options: document editor, spreadsheet editor, presentation editor, PDF editor, form creator. Checkboxes allow users to select more than one option. Step 5. Add question 3. Drop-down list. Let's use a drop-down field. Insert a combo box or drop-down lists. Question: which feature would you use to work on a document with colleagues in real time? Options: co-editing mode, track changes, print preview, comment or chat. Drop-down lists help keep forms compact and organized. Step 6. Add question 4. Short answer. Let's finish with an open-ended question. Insert a text area field. Question: which ONLYOFFICE feature do you find most useful and why? Text fields allow participants to provide detailed answers in their own words. Before we start customizing the form, a quick note. If you would like to deepen your knowledge and discover even more ways to work with ONLYOFFICE, contact us at training@onlyoffice.com. Step 7. Customize the form. Now that the questions are ready, let's improve the appearance. Use formatting tools to adjust fonts and text sizes, align fields neatly, add spacing between sections, highlight important instructions, and clean layout makes the quiz easier to complete and review. Step 8. Test the quiz before sharing the form. Switch to the viewing mode and test it yourself. Fill in the fields, answer the questions, and make sure everything behaves as expected. It's always better to catch mistakes before your users do. Step 9. Save and share. Once you are satisfied with the result, save the form as a fillable PDF. You can then share it with colleagues, students, customers, or anyone else who needs to complete it. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we have created a practical PDF quiz using different field types available in ONLYOFFICE forms. The same approach can be used for survey, training materials, registration forms, assignments, and many other workflows. Thanks for watching and see you in the next OnlyOffice tutorial.